Three. Okay.
Hi guys, we are here at Manila Zoo and we're here because we are gonna see the animals in the zoo.
Wala. Kaya nakita, ang ginasabi lang namin ba na nakapunta ikaw pero small ka pa.
Guys, here we saw capybaras and turtles.
Ano meron dyan sa loob? Saan siya? Saan? Saan? Ay, ayan ka man pala. Ayan ka man pala.
Asan?
Ayan o, 1, 2. Ayan o.
Ayan, turtle. Capybara. How many? Guys, we're entering the aviary and inside the aviary, there's just like birds.
Wow! Sige, ikot lang kayo. Ikot lang. Ikot-ikot.
Guys, here I saw owls and parrots.
Ay, no, ako lang. The tiger is
And guys, here I saw a white tiger sleeping alone. He's just alone by himself. How lonely.
wala siya kasama. Tiger, where are you? Tiger! Diretso na tayo.
Guys, here I just saw ostriches. Yeah, that's all that I saw there.
Baboy Ramo.
Guys, we are here to see the crocodile and some fishes.
Crocodile, Sean! Crocodile!
Is that real?
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream! Oh, if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Crocodile! Crocodile! Sean! Crocodile, Sean! Crocodile! Sean, crocodile! Crocodile!
Hindi mo yun masyadong bang yan. Kasi small lang man siya.
God is for turtle. Turtle. No, Sean, it's not a snake
Guys,
turtle.
here I saw a lot of snake turtles.
Yes.
Wow, ang dami.
A lot of snake.
Guys, we are here to eat because we haven't eaten yet.
Dance, dance. Wow. Yun na yun.
Guys, our order is already here and the food was really delicious.